मैं रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ। I get up early every morning. I get up early every morning. वह स्कूल नहीं जाता है। He does not go to school. He does not go to school. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीखते हो? Do you learn English? Do you learn English? मैं अभी खाना खा रहा हूँ। I am eating food now. I am eating food now. वह टीवी नहीं देख रही है। She is not watching TV. She is not watching TV. क्या वे खेल रहे हैं? Are they playing? Are they playing? मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है। I have completed my work. I have completed my work. उसने मुझे फोन नहीं किया है। She has not called me. She has not called me. क्या तुमने उसे देखा है? Have you seen him? Have you seen him? मैं कल बाजार गया था। I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. वह समय पर नहीं आया। He did not come on time. He did not come on time. क्या तुमने खाना बनाया? Did you cook food? Did you cook food? जब मैं पहुंचा, वे पढ़ रहे थे। They were studying when I arrived. They were studying when I arrived. मैं उस समय नहीं सो रहा था। I was not sleeping at that time. I was not sleeping at that time. क्या वह गाना गा रही थी? Was she singing a song? Was she singing a song? मैंने पहले ही पत्र लिख लिया था। I had already written the letter. I had already written the letter. वे वहां नहीं पहुंचे थे। They had not reached there. They had not reached there. क्या तुमने उसे पहले देखा था? Had you seen him before? Had you seen him before? मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा। I will go to Delhi tomorrow. I will go to Delhi tomorrow. वह हमारी मदद नहीं करेगा। He will not help us. He will not help us. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मैं शाम को पढ़ाई करूंगा। I will study in the evening. I will study in the evening. वे मैच नहीं जीतेंगे। They will not win the match. They will not win the match. क्या वह हमें बुलाएगी? Will she invite us? Will she invite us? मैं हर दिन अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ। I speak English every day. I speak English every day. मेरी बहन चाय नहीं पीती है। My sister does not drink tea. My sister does not drink tea. क्या तुम्हारा भाई नौकरी करता है? Does your brother do a job? Does your brother do a job? बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं। The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. मैं अभी नहीं लिख रहा हूँ। I am not writing now. I am not writing now. क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? उसने नया मोबाइल खरीदा है। He has bought a new mobile. He has bought a new mobile. मैंने अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया है। I have not replied yet. I have not replied yet. क्या उन्होंने टिकट बुक कर ली है? Have they booked the tickets? Have they booked the tickets? हम पिछले साल मुंबई गए थे। We went to Mumbai last year. We went to Mumbai last year. उसने मुझे सच नहीं बताया। She did not tell me the truth. She did not tell me the truth. क्या तुमने ये फिल्म देखी? Did you watch this movie? Did you watch this movie? मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. वह सुबह से काम नहीं कर रहा है। He has not been working since morning. He has not been working since morning. क्या वे लंबे समय से इंतजार कर रहे हैं? Have they been waiting for a long time? Have they been waiting for a long time? मैं कल इस समय यात्रा कर रहा होऊंगा। I will be traveling at this time tomorrow. I will be traveling at this time tomorrow. वह कल नहीं पढ़ रही होगी। She will not be studying tomorrow. She will not be studying tomorrow. क्या तुम शाम को काम कर रहे होगे? Will you be working in the evening? Will you be working in the evening? मैंने उससे पहले कभी बात नहीं की थी। I had never talked to him before. I had never talked to him before. क्या उसने तुम्हें बुलाया था? Had she called you? Had she called you? मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा। I will help you. I will help you. वह आज ऑफिस नहीं जाएगी। She will not go to the office today. She will not go to the office today. क्या वे कल आएंगे? Will they come tomorrow? Will they come tomorrow? हम रोज क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। We play cricket every day. We play cricket every day. मेरा दोस्त झूठ नहीं बोलता है। My friend does not tell lies. My friend does not tell lies. क्या तुम्हारे पिता गाड़ी चलाते हैं? Does your father drive a car? Does your father drive a car? बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. It is raining. बच्चे शोर नहीं कर रहे हैं। The children are not making noise. The children are not making noise. क्या तुम्हारी माँ खाना बना रही है? Is your mother cooking food? Is your mother cooking food? मैंने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया है। I have done my homework. I have done my homework. उसने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया है। He has not eaten food yet. He has not eaten food yet. क्या तुमने अपना कमरा साफ किया है? Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room? हम देर से पहुंचे थे। We arrived late. We arrived late. मैं पार्टी में नहीं गया था। I did not go to the party. I did not go to the party. क्या उसने तुम्हारी मदद की? Did he help you? Did he help you?